Have you ever loved somebody and they never are around you? Well, have you ever needed somebody and they never know you do? Have you ever called him lovely and he never heard you say how much he's your one and only? You want him every day. And how could you say so many things? And pride can take it all away. And how can you fall one sleeping night and finding you not by his side? Oh, have you ever loved somebody and you ever need somebody and you always want that body here? Yeah, I fell down on my knees, begging God, would you please let me love again. Oh, have you ever felt so crazy when you're not with your baby? Have you ever felt like you're only a lady with him? Well, I found and I fell and I lost you many times.